this issue. We have submit a representation from our side seeking clarification. Why this disparity, why these differences are there, why this gap are there. It is not as per the proposal, not as per the approval by the project approval board of the Ministry of Education, Government of India. Okay, and during the meeting, Secretary Education informed us that this fund which they have released, that is for the uniform rupees 300, that is 50%. Okay, it is only 50%. So he told us that, he informed us that they will release another 50%, which means they release another 300 each student. Okay, that is for uniform. And for this school grant, he informed us that his office and the government will release another installment as per enrollment wise. Okay, so we just want to share with you that this was not the first time it happens. Okay, since 2019, 20, and now 21, it repeat the same. 19 also we got a school grant, not as per the proposal and not as per the approval given by the project approval board. Okay, in 2020 also it repeat the same thing. We are getting not as per the approval of the project approval board. So we want to ask the government a question, where the government have implement the remaining money, okay, which they have proposed to the central government, and the same was approved and recommended by the Ministry of Education. This is the question which we want to raise to the state government, where they have utilized this additional fund, okay, which they have not released to the SSA school as per the proposal and as per the approval they are getting from the project approval board. Okay.